Alright, today we have an unboxing from thecubicle.com. The inside is the Tengyun version 2. I absolutely loved the first Tengyun, but the magnet strength was way too light for me. So I'm hoping that this cube is essentially the same thing, just with a few improvements and a better magnet strength, because that would make me very, very happy. Oh yeah, I also got some stickers for my cube. Alright, so here we have the new Tengyun third cube, second generation. Alright, it's the Tengyun V2. The box looks really, really nice. I ordered stickerless, but the picture is stickered. It's not a big deal, but I don't know. And they have the shiny blue, just like the Tengyun box. Ooh. But I quite like that. It's nice. So anyways, yeah. Let's open it up. Alright, so this looks like the pamphlet guide here. So that's the new magnet system. 1 is strong, 2 is medium, and 3 is light. Which is cool that you can adjust the magnets now. So I'll look into the the tensioning system a little bit later because it's apparently very complicated. Let's just get to the cube for now. Got it. Alright, so let's look at the accessory box. Oh my gosh. So extra springs. Oh, there's more. More springs. Who knows what those are? They never indicate what the springs are, so I guess you just have to try them out. Here's the pamphlet. Take a quick look. This looks actually pretty good. I don't know if any of you actually look at these. Chances are, probably not. I usually don't, but a few of them are actually kind of helpful. This one looks very good. So, I don't know, maybe don't throw this one out. But, okay, alright. So this looks like the tensioning tool. I don't know what it does yet. We'll figure it out. Extra core because, why? Okay, thank you, Dayan. And then we have the flathead screwdriver and then a Phillips head screwdriver. This is probably for tensioning and this is for changing the magnets. It's nice that they include it, actually, so thank you. So now let's finally get to the cube. I am a big Dayan fan. I like cheering on the underdogs. My first cube was the Dayan Guhong. And so, I don't know, from then on, I've always loved Dayan. Yeah, they've come out with some pretty bad cubes, but I want them to succeed. And I thought that they did with the Tengyun. So, here's to hoping that this one is even better. Alright. Shades are pretty good. Has a very nice, sort of matte, but not really at all, plastic. It's just a little less shiny than normal. A couple scratches here and there. But yeah, let's get into some first turns. Yeah, it's super soft. Well, that's cool. Oh my gosh, good corner cutting, of course. It feels, to me, Pretty similar to the original Tengyun, just a little bit softer in a more papery way. I don't know, that was a terrible description, but it feels really good, and it's really quiet too. You can barely hear it. Feels almost like some of the new GAN puzzles, which is very good. The magnet strength right now it's pretty okay. It's definitely stronger than the first one, but I know that we're on 2 right now, so it can get even stronger. So let's go adjust that and see what it's like on the highest setting. All right, so I just changed them all to the 1 strongest setting, and they don't actually feel that much stronger to me than the 2, but they're overall the strongest to me is a pretty medium strength. Yeah, this is definitely an improvement over the original Tengyun. I love the feel. Feels super smooth. Let's take a look at this tensioning, although I don't really want to get too much into it right now. I'll do a separate video on that later, because it's very confusing. But essentially, what I think is we have... No! Stop rolling. We have the Phillips head... Nope. Phillips head wave tensioning, which I think is just overall fine-tuning. And then we have elasticity, and then more just general settings. I'm not sure which one's which, but you would adjust it like so, or with the bigger one would be this one. Not sure. I'll look into it later. But for now, out of the box, the cube already feels good. So it's a great cube, and I think you could totally main on it. I have to do a few more solves with it, and compared to my XS, which is my main, but for right now, this is a really, really good cube, especially from Dayan, so let's go! And I can't wait to see what more cubes they bring in the future, and what new innovation, because this is new, we've never seen that before. And by the way, what's awesome is when you change one side, not the right one, when you change one side, it also changes the other one. So you don't need to do it double the amount of times, like the GAN XS. So that's super good and super smart. We've got primary internals, which I love, gives it a smoother feel. And yeah, it's a really good cube. So I would recommend buying it. Stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe. You can get this cube at RL Cube Shop. And yeah, totally recommend it.